Before we start, I would like to thank Uncle To for these items that arrived, came from Japan. Ito po yun. So mag-unbox. Welcome mga kabigs. This is your Boyet Fox or BYT Fox YouTube channel. Hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, huwag niyong kalimutan mag-subscribe, press like and share button. Okay, this is the first time to do an unboxing. Ito ang first time na YouTube vlog ko din. Before we start, I would like to thank Uncle To for these items that arrived, came from Japan. Ito po yun. So mag-unboxing tayo. Itong item na to came from Japan sa tulong ni Uncle To. I have listed some items from him to purchase for me. Hindi ko lang alam kung andito lahat. It takes 2 months bago dumating. Hindi natin may iwasan. Let's consider what's happening right now. Kaya na-delayed yung delivery. But sabi nga nila, it's better late than never. Okay? So, mag-unboxing po tayo. At the same time, ipapakita natin na yung mga items nandito sa loob. I hope magustuhan nyo. Okay? Tsaka wag, lahat ng mga nanonood, yung hindi pa naging subscriber ko, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. At huwag niyo kalimutan i-click yung bell button para pag mayroon ako mga bagong videos, makikita nyo agad. O, diba? This YouTube channel of mine, hindi lang ito about hype items. It's also about travels, food, new technologies. Tingnan nyo lang, anything pops up will be different at kakaiba. But for first, simulan muna natin dito sa unboxing. Okay? Huwag niyong kalimutan i-like at i-subscribe din ang channel ni Uncle To. Dahil kung hindi sa kanya, hindi darating tong item na to dito sa Cambodia. Okay, ang first item natin, tingnan natin anong meron. Okay, simulan muna natin sa maliliit na item. Okay? Okay. Baby Milo Cobrix. Okay? Actually, meron akong selected items na photos na sinend sa kanya. I hope this is one of these. Hindi ko muna bubuksan. Kasi kung merong interesado, I prefer na pag kinuha ng who's interested, it's properly sealed. Okay? Oh, yun ang unang item natin. Baby Milo from Big. Pangalawa, wow! It's a Bape Black ball pen. Okay? Sa mga interesadong mag-collect, Bape is one of the good brands to collect, to start small, di ba? Hindi naman ito ganun kamahal. If you would like something new, di ba? Hindi naman huli ang lahat to collect hype items. Okay? Oops! Ang pangalawa natin is again, Bape ball pen. Okay? Legit po yan. Okay? Hindi po peke. Wow! May dalawang ball pen na tayo. All Bape. Pangapat. Wow! Wow! Munti ko na makalimutan. Meron pa akong ni-request na hose. Okay? Tingnan nyo. Ganda. For those who are interested, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-message na. Fifth item. Keychain. Yan. Bape keychain. Yan po. Okay? Galing. Ganda. Uncle to. Galing ha. Dumating lahat mostly yung item ko. Next item. Wow. Bape red ball pen. Yan po. Tingnan nyo. Ganda. Kaya kong benta to. Next item. Supreme bounce ball. Ayan po. Supreme bounce ball. Alam ko, dalawa in order ko na ito. It looks nice. Something to collect and to start with. Yun, ito yung pangalawang Baby Milo Cub Bricks natin. Yan. Yun po. Okay? Ano yung laman? Propose ko na lang. Kung ano yun nandito sa loob. Next item. Bape stickers. Ayan. Bape stickers. Yung nagko-collecta ng mga stickers. Yan. Ganda to. Next one. Ay, sorry. Invoice. See? May invoice ha. Invoice from Bape. So. Ayan o. So, legit yan ha. Next item. Keychain. Okay. Diba? Ganda. Next item. Yan. Ano kaya to? Tumbler. Bape tumbler. Yan, sa mga gustong kumulekta nito, sa gustong interesado. Still brand new. Bape tumbler. Nice. Uncle to. Galing mo. Kung kalimutan, may susunod pa. Then next item, may t-shirt ata tayo. Oops! Meron tayong t-shirt. Uniqlo with calls. Yan, ganda. Wow, size M. Size M. Para siyang puti na, para siyang pinkish na kulay. Ganda. Next item. Oops. Stickers. Supreme stickers. Mayroong nag-order sa akin nito, but unfortunately, ito lang yung dumating. But don't worry. More things are coming. Next item. Yan. Bounce ball. Ito yung pangalawang bounce ball natin. Yan. Diba? Next. May isang t-shirt. Then, wow! Uniqlo Cows t-shirt. Yan po. Yan. Galing. Wow. Size XL. Oh. Ganda. Then, t-shirt. Wow. Ito yung bagong labas na collaboration ng Uniqlo with Belly Ellis and Takashi Morikami. Yan. Diba? Ganda ng design. Wow! Large size. M size. Galing. Next. Yan, isang t-shirt na naman. Same collaboration. Ang ganda ng tela niya. Wow, design. Large size. Same. Belly Ellis, Takashi Murakami, and Uniqlo. Yung huli natin sa box. Oh, Uniqlo pa rin, yung pa rin. Uniqlo, Belly Ellis, at Takashi Murakami. Large size. So, sa mga interesado, message lang kayo. It will be available sa ating store, Soul Ace. Soul Ace, ang aming store, Instagram, Boy at Fox. Available, items will be available. Sa mga kaibigan natin dito sa Cambodia, kung interesado kayo, message lang kayo. And our friends, Cambodian friends, you have interested on the items we have available, just message me up at we'll try to have it prepared for you. So, yun ang unang unboxing natin. So, maraming salamat, Uncle To. This will not be possible kung hindi sa tulong mo. And those who are my subscribers, huwag nyo rin kalimutan mag-subscribe kay Uncle To's YouTube channel. Mayroon din siya mga sapatos and other available items kung gusto nyong bilhin at a very affordable price. Since ito yung pinakauna nating vlog, so maraming salamat. I would like to thank my friend and family for suggesting all these items sa una nating vlog. At the same time, kahit na huli na, takes too long dumating, pero at least andito na. So, this will not be the first and this will not be the last dahil marami pa tayong darating. Meron tayong items darating from Manila and Philippines. Meron tayong items darating from US and other places in other countries. Okay? Yung YouTube channel natin, Boy at Fox, is not about only hype items. As I told you, meron din tayong travel, about foods, maybe dito sa Cambodia. So at least those who are interested to travel in the future, at least ma-share ko sa inyo. And everything pops up sa YouTube channel ko will always be something. Okay, so please support, please share, subscribe, hit the like button, and ring the bell para ma-notify kayo sa mga bago kong videos. Then, maraming salamat ulit and stay safe everyone. Maghugas ng kamay parate, do proper hand washing, wear your face mask, face shield pag lumabas, si COVID andyan pa rin. And don't forget to pray kay God sa taas to keep us safe. As always, and always think positive. Don't let negative conquer us. Positive will always be the best. To move on.